seed germination to mature plant and collecting seeds, the entire life of a seed bed. The first thing that I like to do is spade over the soil. You can either use a spading fork or a spade the way I'm using here. This shovel I've got is like my favorite shovel for moving perennials, and I think it might be a post hole digger. But anyway, here I've spaded up a nice row, and then next I'm just going to use the garden rake to rake it out flat. All these leaves and things that are in the soil are really good for the soil. Okay, here I'm just raking out the soil, get the clumps in the two aisles on the side. Have a nice fine seed bed. Put in some labels, places, stakes to put labels on. I just put the package over into the post there, and then make a nice little V furrow to put the seeds in. Since these are flowers, I'm not giving them a whole lot of room. Take the package and just sprinkle the seeds into the package, into the furrow on the ground that I made with the hoe. And the same thing on both sides. And then here I'm just watering it. And here you can see all the seeds have germinated, and the plants are still young and they're growing pretty good. So I'm just going to hoe out the weeds. And you can tell which are the weeds because they're not in the nice straight row of seeds that came up. You can do this by hand like I am because it's such a small area. You could do it standing up, but for a nice small area like this, it's easier to get down and do it where you can actually see things up close. The best way to tell the weeds from the young plants here is because the young plants are all in a nice row. So that's one of the advantages of planting them in a nice row. You can see which ones belong and which ones don't. Here they're growing pretty good now, and you can see the flowers. And he's over here with the feathery growth or cosmos, and this is verbena. There's marigolds there. Those are zinnias right there. And those down there are marigolds. And this is cornflowers right here on the end. You can see with the smaller blue flowers. There's some pink ones too, but yeah, those are cornflowers. And this is a weed, I think. And the zinnias are looking really good. Those are snapdragons. And you can see the cosmos there blooming. Here they are at the end of the season after frost. That's a zinnia. And I'm going to go ahead and collect the seeds so I can replant them next year. So I'm just going to use these pruning shears right here. Put them in a basket here that's got a lot of air, and then I'll just hang it down in my workshop to dry out. So you just cut them off and just put them in the basket and let them dry over winter. Okay, if you thought that was a good video, can you please subscribe and like this video? I would really appreciate it. It helps me out. And thank you very much for watching, and I will talk to you next time. Thanks. Bye.